Hello student, have a good day. I think you are all alright and have a good morning. Today I will start chapter 5 page number 63. Here some rules are given to solve the mathematical sentences. In these rules, first of all I show you some rules that is called how you have to solve the operations inside a mathematical sentence. Now I will show if some mathematics is given like that, 4 plus 3 into 8, that you can do, you have to do this addition first. 7 into 8 equal to 56, or this one can be write as 4 into 8 plus 3 into 8. That means outside the bracket, if something is root by multiplication or division, it should be multiplied each of the every element of the inside the bracket or divided to. So in this way, if we are solving this one, 32 plus 3 is 24. Now add 6, 5. This one types of rules. If there is division also given, you have to solve the division as like that. Here only I am showing the procedure. I will do the exercise 1 given here in 63 number page. That is exercise 1, A number 135 minus 35 into 7. You can solve it like that. 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 1 into 7. 7 100s are 700. Or otherwise, 1 is given 135 into 7 minus 35 into 7. To solve this, you need to do the rough work here. 135 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 is going up. 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24. 2 is going to the next number. 7 or just 7 plus 2, 9. That is 945. And 35, 7 is how much? 7 5s are 35. 3 is up. 7 3s are 24, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Sorry, 24. 245. If you are subtracted this one, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7. The result is same. Whether you are following this one, whether it is this one. Just for practice this one to make understand the rules is different, but the result is same. Here is this one is easier because without any calculation you can easily solve this one. Now I will show you some calculation method where these rules are necessary. 64 number page, exercise number 2. That there you can find 2 exercise 2. I will write the top half of exercise 2. Calculation rules, that means it can be easily done without doing too much complicated multiplication, division, subtraction. Easy subtraction you can do. In here, one number is given 25 multiplied by 32. You can solve it by normal multiplication, but it is little bit difficult. But if you split the number, small numbers, and divide it, and whether you find is any hundreds, any 200s, it will be easy for you. 25 I'll keep like that and try to find out 32 in which table I can find 32. 4 8s are 32. So 4 8s are 32. I split this 32 into 4 into 8. And up to this, when you are coming, you already find when 25 is multiplied by 4, it is 100. I can show you here 25 into 4. You can memorize this one. 4 5s are 20, 2 is of 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. That is 100. That is, what is this? This is 100. So you memorize these things, that 25 multiplied by 4 is always 100. So 25 4s are is 100, and I already have 8 to do the multiplication more. So from here you can easily write 800s are 800. That means if you split the number, if you keep the 25 as split the 32 4 into 8, you can multiply the 4 with 25 and you can find this 100, and with it is any number can be multiplied easily. That is called calculation method without having, or also in international it is called memorization method also. Now the second one, 99 9s. You think I cannot split anything here? Yes, you can split in subtraction. You know 100 minus 1 is 99. So I have 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. And with it I have to multiply 9. Earlier, some rules I show. If the multiplication outside the bracket, then this multiplication number should be multiplied each and every number inside the bracket. So I can write this one like that, 100 into 9, subtraction must be same position, and 1 into 9. So now solve it. 100 into 9, 900 minus 9. This subtraction you can do very easily. That is 900 minus 9. If this one becomes 10, this one 9, and this one 8. Already I explained these things earlier. You can easily write this one 100. If you cannot understand, you can make this one 10 by adding 1 from the 9 and cut it and write it 9. So now for subtraction I have 8, 9 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 and 8. That is 891. Now I will show some more calculation method here. In real exercise number 2, that is given down of the page number 64. Number 1, 25 multiplied by 16. So I keep the 25 as like that. 16 I can add 4 into 4. 25 4s are 100. 100 into 4. 100 into 4 is 400. Now I will show that number 3, 50 into 80. I will keep the 50 like that because there is 0. Now I split 18, 2 into 9. Sorry, 2 9s are 18. If multiply 2 with the 50, I will easily find 100 because 250, that means 100 multiplied by 9. 900s are 900. If you have confusion here, you can do the rough work. You can easily find out that 52s are is 100. 25 4s are is 100. Now I will show you the number 4. 98 that is 98 multiplied it by 5. 98 you have to write it 100 minus 2. If you subtract 2 from the 100, you can easily find 98 into 5. Now multiplied 100 into 5, 2 into 5. 100 5s are 500, 5 2s are 10. That means 490. If you have confusion, you can do it. 0 minus 0 is 0. It should be 10 and that one should be 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 is just like that. Now I will continue the number 5. It is written 102 into 11. You will tell, madam, this one is crossing only. There is no problem. That I will add 100 plus 2 into 11. Now I will write 100 into 11 plus 2 into 11. 100 11s are 11 and this 0 is like that. And plus 2 11s are 22. If you add this, you can find 11 1 1 2 2. That means 1122. You can, if you follow the calculation method, you can easily solve the mathematics without having any calculator on any big calculation. Now I will show you the number 6. 999 multiplied by 9. So big number. You can easily write 1000. That is 9. Next number of 999 is 1000. 1000 minus 1 into 9. You can write 1000 into 9. Subtraction should be as usual 1 into 9, because whatever multiplication is there, this number should multiply inside the each element, each number of the bracket. So 1000 9s are 9000, 1 9s are 9. This should be 10 9 9 8. 10 minus 9 is 1 9 9 8. Please copy these things on your notebook. Now I will continue the 65 number pages. Exercise number 2, because exercise 1 should be your homework. You can solve it by following the calculation method. If you cannot solve it, I'll show you. Now exercise number 2, one number, that is 724 plus 87 plus 30. You'll tell, madam, I'll do the 4 plus 7 plus 3. No, I don't tell. Keep the big number like that. Add this small number. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 is going up. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 100. 724 and 1, that is 824. Now I show you the number 2. 624 minus 76 minus 24. You see, you will do a step-by-step subtraction, or rather, as these two numbers is subtracted, so I can add these two numbers and afterward do the subtraction from the 624. That means 624 is like that. I'll take the minus common and keep the bracket. If the 8 minus from here, there should be plus, because if I multiply minus with minus, sign with minus with plus, the number that should be minus. Now I can easily write this one, 624 minus, because you think, madam, I am putting bracket, there is plus, because these two numbers is subtracted from here. So I can add these two numbers and total numbers can be subtracted from here without step-by-step subtraction. 6, okay, I am I'm writing the number 2 again here to make it clear to you. 624 minus 76 minus 24. Okay, I have to add this number together, so I am writing included bracket plus 24. Otherwise I cannot do it, because without bracket there should be like subtraction, because without bracket this is subtraction is done with that one, and inside bracket the addition is done in these two number. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 is going up, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 100. 624 minus 100 is 524. Now do the number 3, 20, 50. As per rules, you solve the inside of this one after that. But before that, I told you, as all signs are equal, you can write that 20 into 66 into 50. Because here no sign is different, so you can follow the multiplication normally. You can write 20 into 50 here, because all zeros are here. For the try to solve the zeros first, then other things. Take these zeros down, multiply 2 with 5 with the 2, that is 10, and then do the multiplication with 66. 1066 means 66 is here, and with it 3 zeros are there, that is 66,000. Now I will show you the number 4. 4 is like 4 into 92 into 25. Look at here, there is 25 and 4, so I will keep closer to that thing. 25 into 4 into 92. 25 fours are easily know 192. That means with 92 I'll keep 20. That is 9200. 5 number already we practice. I will show you the 5 number. 5 number is given 32 into 25, but you can write 25 into 30. For 32 you can write 4 into 8. 25 fours are 100 into 8, that is 800. Now 697 into 8, 100 minus 3 into 8, 100 into 8, 3 into 8, 100 is the 800, 3 is the 24, 10, 9, 7. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 is like that. So write these things on your notebook. Today here I am finishing the class work. Try to practice it and solve the problem. Maybe in the other classes I'll started the worksheet, because in all worksheet I am practicing the solve the problem. So today, for today, goodbye. Stay safe. Have a nice day.